folks, Chris here on day 13 of 33. If you don't know what the hell I'm talking about, I've challenged myself to make $350 in 33 days just scrapping part-time. Um, Today, I didn't scrap much. I scrapped one or two things, and you'll see here in just a second, but I got lazy at work and took off and decided to collect some inventory uh, to scrap over the weekend to try to keep pace with this challenge. It was a nice balmy 74 degrees, and even at 10 o'clock here, it's still 70 degrees. But tomorrow, the bottom's going to fall out, and it's going to get cold and rain all weekend, and it's going to be miserable. So I'm going to close up the garage and crank the heater and do some scrapping. Well, day 13 is come and gone, and I've got a few things to scrap this weekend, and hopefully tomorrow morning I'll be able to grab a few more things before it gets cold and nasty. But until then, I'm going to add a disclaimer like I always do.
I'm going to keep this short and keep you YouTuber police off my back with a few disclaimers. Number one, scrap value is always the lowest price for an item, just above garbage. So if you bring something home that works or has working parts, consider selling it on Craigslist, eBay. That's actually how I make a lot of money. Number two, scrap prices change with the stock market. Good rule of thumb, like I stated, but not fact. When oil prices are high, usually scrap prices go up, and then vice versa. For the purpose of this video, I just stated the prices from the last trip I made, so they're not going to be your prices. So I'm just using these as comparisons for the video. Number three, come on, use common sense. We're working with metals, they're sharp.